ba yun? Hindi. Ha? Grabe siya. Hindi. Ang hirap naman sagutin yan. It's a... Paano ba yun sagutin?
Natural na.
Hindi ko alam eh. Paano ba yun? When you're tasked to do something, you give it your 100%. As long as you're sincere, I guess. As long as you're not full of yourself, I guess. And hindi ka naghahanap ng acknowledgement or validation. I guess, yun yung magic nun. Na hindi mo kailangan ipakita na kung ano ka, o numero ka, o sino ka. It's all about honesty, I guess, and sincerity. Kung sino man kausap mo, kung sino man yung kaharap mo, importante na totoo ka lang. So, I guess, dun nag-uugat yung kung ano, how you're able to impress somebody. And, ganun lang. Hindi ko alam paano sagutin. Hindi siguro.
That's pretty much it.
Well,
To Raiko,